Bent's RV. Here at Bent's RV, we are sensitive to and following the CDC guidelines as we stay open to take care of your essential parts and service needs. Sometimes you use your camper as your home and it might need to be repaired. If you need to have your camper repaired, please call us to get an appointment at 985-758-2368. If you need some parts, you can give us a call, let us know what parts you need, and we can have them for you, or we can order them online or at bentsrv.com. We invite you to shop online at bentsrv.com for your next RV. Our online sales personnel are available to help guide you to narrow your choices. We can send you additional pictures or a video of your camper that you are considering. You can call and ask our sales professional for many questions, or you can text us as well at 985-758-2368. If you have found a camper and you would like to purchase it, we can help out by taking care of all of the paperwork, mailing it out to you, sending you a video of the walkthrough of your camper, and delivering your camper to your home. In the past few weeks, Bent's RV has been busy setting up shelters and drive-through tents at the COVID-19 testing centers at the Alario Center in Westwego. We have also provided campers for the COVID-19 patients for quarantine, as well as first responders at the Chico State Park. We continue to look for other opportunities in which our staff can help our community in these unprecedented times. Once this virus has settled down, Bent's RV looks forward to helping you and your family escape to nature for a little while. Please call us at 985-758-2368 or go online at bentsrv.com. Thank you, and we look forward to helping you with your future RV needs.